MPG has been a brand for 6 years with Cruiser RV, but realistically it's been a brand through our sister company with Heartland for 11 years. It was actually developed as an interim, as a small teardrop. Once we acquired Cruiser RV, we actually took the name from Heartland and put it over to Cruiser, and then we've developed upon there.
The MPG is a product that was designed for the half-ton towable market. It's an ultralight product. All of our floor plans are half-ton towable.
MPG is a very price-conscious ultralight, which in the market there is different variations. There's also high-end cars, middle of the road, and then low. We like to believe that MPG really hits that sweet spot segment of potential new buyers, as well as buyers that want all the features but aren't looking to break the bank.
Our floor plan lineup consists of couples coaches all the way up to great big bunks. So we have just about something for everyone, every family, from the small 2,500 bunkhouses to a 2,700 toy hauler, mid-size bunks, large bunks, the 3,100. We have something for every family, every couple's needs.
So it provides a ton of standard features: power jacks, high sidewall heights, a king-size bed standard, plywood flooring throughout. So these are all value features that we offer as a product with MPG, but it's not even as a product, it's as a company as Cruiser. We value ourselves on building one of the best ultralights in the world.
When we're looking for a new floor plan to design, we talk to our dealers, we talk to our consumers. When we're out to trade shows, we're out to retail shows, we interact with our consumers and say, hey, what do you want? We're listening to what their wants and needs are.
We want it to have that wow factor and its own individuality, so it stands apart from the rest. So that's number one goal for CRV, is to get that unique look, and a look that we feel like the customers are gonna appreciate and see the difference.
We wanted this to be very appealing to the masses. We wanted the inside to be very elegant, very modern, a little bit darker, but at the end of the day, just pop with contrast.
You know, when I see an MPG when I'm driving up and down the road, it's like, oh, right, there's one of our products. You know, I want to stop, if the people stop and a rest stop and say, hey, how do you like that product? Before I tell them who I am, it's, hey, that's really nice. Do you like it?
It's awesome to be able to work with product and then be able to have a company that puts in the resources to be able to develop innovative things and push the bar, right? And I believe we have, as a company, to really listen to what our dealers are asking, what our customers are asking for.
Customers, when they purchase our product, they're on a high. They love being able to go out camping. They love that they've purchased a product that is high in quality, fits all of their needs, tows nice up and down the road, and is going to last them a long, long time.
The recreational lifestyle is huge, it's growing, it's cultivating, and our company is growing. It's awesome to have the opportunity to be able to touch more customers throughout the United States, and then they're becoming a part of our cruiser culture, which is pretty amazing.